No woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen.
What's up YouTube? My name's Dante Backus. I run the YouTube channels React It Up and Tech It Up, and a big part of my day is having a workstation where I can be as productive as possible. What I'm about to show in this video did not happen overnight. I actually started my journey in 2016 as a student in college pursuing a degree in electrical and computer engineering. A big part of my approach towards life is finding a starting point and growing from there. And you're gonna see that as a common theme throughout my videos. I hope you all enjoy this one, and welcome to my office tour. Just as an FYI, everything that's available to be purchased online will be available as links in the description box. We're gonna first start off with the lounge area. This is where I come whenever I need a break from whatever I'm working on. First item I'd like to cover is this white leather sectional couch. I have a groovy light strip attached to the couch to create a nice effect to the room. I also have a fake plant from IKEA and a nano leaf light sitting behind it. This couch is an outdated model, but I will include the newer model in the description box, but overall is very comfortable and nice to relax on. In the middle of the lounge area, I have a small coffee table and rug that I purchased from IKEA. In front of this, I have a Pac-Man arcade machine. This creates a nice aesthetic, but also fun to play when I want to release some stress. I'm using the Philips Hue bar for the accent lighting behind this machine. Next to this, I have a 65-inch Samsung frame. I love this TV and plan on eventually switching every TV in my house to this line of TVs. I'm subscribed to Samsung's art service, which for $50-ish a year, I'm able to access thousands of different art pieces and set the theme for the room. The picture quality is amazing with a fast refresh rate and a matte finish to reduce glare. Next to the TV, I have a Besta TV stand, which is where I store my Samsung One Connect box, camera gear, drone, cables, and chargers. On top of the TV stand, I have a watch case that my girlfriend bought for me a while ago as a Christmas gift. I started collecting watches years ago, but I do like to protect my investments and keep them in the case, and I wear my Apple Watch Ultra on a day-to-day basis, so this watch case is nice because it keeps my Swiss movement watches from dying. Next, we're gonna move to the office area. I'm gonna start off with the most important item, especially for those of you who work from home, the chair, or should I say, my chair. This is a Herman Miller Aeron Gaming Edition. I just purchased this last year and I wish I had done it sooner. Historically, I've bought cheaper chairs every year and was faced with the same problems, back pain and parts eventually giving out. Now I actually look forward to sitting down and getting my day started. I highly suggest going to a local Herman Miller store and getting fitted for the best chair for you. You can also find used ones pretty cheap online. Below the chair, I have a black chair mat that I purchased from Amazon. The second most important item, the desk. I recently purchased this corner desk from Autonomous. This is a L-shaped sit-stand desk, and unfortunately the price has increased quite a bit over time, but the real estate makes the desk worth it. On the desk, I have vegan leather mouse pads from Amazon, an Elgato Stream Deck, and a monitor rise that I also purchased from Amazon. I have an Echo Show 15 sitting on the monitor riser. I love the Echo Show because it allows me to control all of my smart home items and kick off routines such as turning off the lights and closing my automatic blinds from IKEA. If you all would like to see a video focused on home automation with this device, let me know down below. Next, I have a dual monitor arm. The monitor arm was purchased from Amazon and has been pretty reliable over the past couple years. I love that it allows me to adjust the monitors any way that I want, including going vertical. The smaller Dell monitor isn't anything special, but the LG 5K 2K display is perfect for me. Higher DPI than most ultra wides and creates a great viewing experience. On top of this monitor, I have the Logitech Brio 4K, which has been great for Zoom calls. I upgraded from the Logitech C920 and I've been happy since then. Also on the desk, I have a fine USB condenser mic. I can't say too much about this microphone as I just purchased it. I'm also recording audio with this microphone for this video, so let me know how it sounds down in the comment box. I was able to snag this for $40 on Amazon, and it came with the boom stand and a pop filter. It sounds better than my old Blue Yeti microphone, and for $40, that's a great deal. Below the desk, I have the Scarlett audio interface. This is what I use to power my Yamaha HS8s, which is a 8-inch speaker. I've had these speakers for 4+ years and I haven't looked back since then. Now let's get into the machine behind this setup. My 16-inch M1 MacBook Pro. I got this a little over a year ago and I loved every second of it. It's a beast when it comes to editing. The battery life is amazing and it's definitely overkill for my day-to-day activities, but I definitely see it being a future-proof laptop. And when I get a laptop, that's exactly what I look for, is something that I can buy and have for the next 5 or so years. And I definitely see this being that machine. Now below the desk, I have a Alex dresser from IKEA that I use for additional storage. And then beside that Alex dresser, I have this file cabinet that I recently purchased from Amazon. It came put together or pre-assembled, and it also came with a smart lock that was pretty easy to set up and was definitely a plus. In conclusion, like I said, this setup did not happen overnight. Over the past couple years, starting in 2016, I bought more budget-friendly items, and I still do to some extent, but I used those items to get me to a point financially, and then I grew from there, and that's something that I'm gonna continue to keep doing over the next coming years, and you're all gonna see and be a part of that journey if you choose to subscribe to my YouTube channel. But please let me know down in the comment box what you thought of this setup. If there's a specific item that you wanna see me dive a little bit more on, definitely let me know down below, but I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all later, and make sure you keep teching it up. Peace.